Did you have...
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Darke County, northwestern Montgomery County, southwestern Miami County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Arcanum, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Troy, Greenville, Tip City, West Milton, Covington, Arcanum, Pleasant Hill, Clayton, Union, Phillipsburg, Gettysburg, Laura, Pittsburgh, Potsdam, Gordon, Ludlow Falls, Ithaca, Union Corners, Abbotsville, and Circle Hill. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 70 and 79.